Stop letting your leads fall through the cracks. Let's make your brand's first impression count with Beehiiv. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly integrate your own custom opt-in page with your Beehiiv newsletter, ensuring every new subscriber reinforces your unique brand identity. First, log into your Beehiiv account. We're going to navigate to the section where you manage how people subscribe to your newsletter. Look for options like Grow, Settings, or Collect Emails. Once you're there, find the Subscribers tab or a similar option. Now, we need to access your unique Beehiiv API key. This key is your secret handshake that allows your custom page to talk to Beehiiv. Dive into your Beehiiv settings, and you should find a section for API keys or integrations. Select API keys. Here, you'll see your unique API key. It's crucial to copy this key precisely. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly. Click the copy icon to have it ready for the next step. Next, head over to your custom opt-in page builder. Whether you're using a dedicated platform or have built your own website, you'll need to find the form integration or API settings for your sign-up form. Within your landing page builder, select the sign-up form you want to connect. Look for an integrations or webhooks option. This is where we'll tell your form where to send the collected information. Now, paste your copied Beehiiv API key into the designated field. If your landing page builder has a direct Beehiiv integration, select that. Otherwise, you might use a generic webhook option and follow Beehiiv's specific webhook documentation to ensure the data is mapped correctly. Ensure your form fields, especially the email address field, are correctly mapped to Beehiiv's requirements. Most often, you'll just need to map your email field to Beehiiv's email parameter. You might also have options for first name or other details. Once configured, save your changes within your landing page builder. Now for the exciting part, test it. Enter a test email address into your opt-in form and submit. You should see that subscriber instantly appear in your Beehiiv dashboard, confirming a successful connection. This direct integration means that every subscriber who signs up through your carefully designed page is immediately added to your Beehiiv list, all while maintaining that crucial, consistent brand experience. It's that simple to empower your growth with Beehiiv and your own custom look. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on mastering your newsletter with Beehiiv.